Hey, hello everyone, what's up? I'm back on track with an interesting and fresh video on the channel in VR, and today we are going to travel back in time.
This guy is crazy, he lives in VR all the time, like it's all here. And guys, like just a trick for you, if you have a virtual reality headset and you're watching him that is always inside, if you shake it while he's inside, just a second, you can change also his outfit. Look at that.
It's me, Nathie, and I'm back with a brand new and exciting video on this channel. It's going to be a blast.
Cool, right? And also, like another trick, like this is like very slick. You use four fingers, and you tap 4 times on the headset. Okay, you can watch the podcast, the F Reality podcast. Look at that.
But happy new podcast, everyone.
Happy new podcast.
Congrats, guys. Congrats.
And as Nathie will say, cool beans. Pretty much, I'm not a stranger. I'm not hacking this channel like you see this stuff around. Nathie is like Gamescom doing all these kind of things, so he asked me if I can do just fast video to give you guys something to watch. And here we are. I'm Tyriel. You can find me on the channel too, like maybe it's gonna be in the description below. We don't really know. And don't worry, Nathie is here. We're gonna keep it here during the whole video, so if there's something wrong, he's gonna tell us, right, Nathie? Right. Okay, so here we are. I want to show you a little bit about this box that is Captoglove. Those are gloves to play VR. Would it be super cool to play VR like in Ready Player One, like the scene at the beginning? Let's roll it out. Well, let's discover what's inside the box, and that's it. Okay, now here we are with the box. This is Captogloves. We're gonna have a pair inside. Let's open right away this part because we are not interested in this cardboard. And here we go. First, let's get to the juicy part. And as you can see, this is a suitcase. It's perfect for traveling. It's very much like a military grade stuff. But 3, 2, 1. Here we go with the Captogloves. So we have a pair, so 1 and 2, that if I'm not wrong should be left and right. Yes, so the 2 gloves. A letter from the CEO with all the team, and the support, the software forum and everything, and the quick start guide, blah 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 later. And some cables, branded Captoglove, mini USB over here. So 2 cables and 2 gloves. But let's get to the gloves that are most interested part, and let's open them. Okay, then these are the gloves, left and right. They're made from Roche or Roche. That is an Italian brand for like clothing, so they do a lot of sport gloves and stuff. And this material is very nice because you're not gonna sweat much with those. Here we have the brand Captoglove, and this branding is pretty much everywhere on the glove, so you're gonna remember about them. Anyway, over here, if I don't go wrong, there's the Capto sensor we saw at D3, where you connect all the different sensor. You can see over here all the different cable, and in the glove we have 5 bending sensors for every finger, so it's gonna get the position of every finger, and 1 pressure sensor over here, so you're gonna be able to do this kind of inputs for the gloves too. Also, the 2 parts over here are capacitive, so you can use the phone with those parts. Let me get inside and see if they're comfortable or what, and are just, you know, super comfortable. You can even feel the sensors, and they looks like kind of red. What you're gonna be able to do with this, pretty much you're gonna be able to track all your fingers and give like an input to every finger to use it with your VR games or stuff. And in this way you're gonna be able to use these instead of the controller, or control your computer and everything. So we have the different application like drones, touch screen too, gesture, plug and play. It's compatible with iOS and Android, so even if you have mobile VR, you're gonna be able to do it. They're washable, but you have to take out the Capto sensor. A lot of battery, 10 hours, so you can use it for 10 hours without any problem. But the great thing about these is like are totally customizable, so you're gonna be able to customize every movement and add a function to those. In this way you're gonna be able to just grab stuff and everything even without devs to put an SDK on it. And that's very, very important because we saw so many different other accessories for VR that are never used because you don't have the SDK or the devs don't do anything for those. With this being totally customizable, you're gonna be able to do by your own and make it perfect for every game as you want. Also, worth to mention that these two rings over here are to take them out without breaking all the sensor that are in. So bear in mind when you take them out, just use these two rings and they're gonna come out without any problem. Now it's closed, so it's not happening. Anyway, let's go back and let's do the ending. And here we are, guys. These are the gloves, and very, very comfortable, I have to say. And I'm not gonna be able to show you some gameplay with those yet, with these yet, because I don't have VR with me. I'm on vacation and I had to make this video, and luckily I had these gloves. But you're gonna be able to see it on my channel pretty soon. Probably it's gonna be here somewhere, maybe the bubble over here, maybe not. I will be more than glad to see you there. And if you want to see gameplays, this is the best channel ever to be in. But if you're also interested about how all this magic happen, how technology makes virtual reality your reality, well, you can just come and say ciao in my channel, and we're gonna learn each other with reviews, guides, news, and all about that. Anyways, I can't really wait to try this in a game, and these two actually, so these. And I see you guys in the next video. I leave you with Nathie again for the end. Probably you're gonna see the bubble now with the subscribing button, whatever, depends to Nathie. And ciao!
Don't miss it, and now it's time for me to, well, sign off, and as I always say, and I see ya guys next time. See you in the metaverse. Bye bye. See ya later. Whew, yes.